Hi everyone. In this video, we'll show you 10 of the best AI video creation tools. Tools that can save you time, boost your content quality, and maybe even make creating videos fun again. Number 10. Runway Gen 3. If you've ever wanted to create cinematic shots without actually filming them, this is the tool for you. With Runway, you can generate realistic videos from just text prompts or images. All you need to do is create an account, enter your prompt, and choose the style of video you want. Whether it's a product showcase, abstract visuals, or something that looks like it came straight out of a movie, Runway can make it happen. And if you don't like something, no worries. Just refine your prompt and regenerate until you're happy with the result. Runway even offers a free plan with limited credits, while paid plans start at just $15 per month depending on render quality and usage. Number 9 is Pika Labs. Think of this as Runway's faster, more casual sibling. Pika lets you create short AI videos quickly, perfect for TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts. Once you're in, just enter your text prompt. Pika turns that idea into an animated video clip. It's super simple, and the best part? You can adjust the aspect ratio for vertical or horizontal videos, and even create loops for social media. Pika Labs has a free tier, and if you need longer videos or more advanced features, paid plans start at just $10 per month. Number 8. We have CapCut, probably the most popular video editing tool for short-form creators right now. If you're into TikTok, YouTube Shorts, or Instagram Reels, this tool is your best friend. It's packed with AI-powered features, auto-captioning, background removal, and trendy video templates. Creating a video? Super simple. Just import your clips, pick a template, and let CapCut automatically add transitions, effects, and text overlays. CapCut is completely free, though some advanced features may need in-app purchases. But honestly, for most creators, the free version is more than enough. Number 7. Lumen 5. If you want to create a YouTube video, but don't have the script ready, Lumen 5 is the tool for you. And the best part? You can do all of this completely free. With Lumen 5, you can convert an idea into a video, add an AI voiceover, record your own voiceover and turn it into a video, or even upload a talking head clip. You can also start completely from scratch. Let me show you how to create text on media. First, mention your topic in this section. Then, include the details you want in your video. These can be as specific as you like. I'm just adding random keywords here, but you can be much more detailed. Once done, click on Compose Script. You can use it or edit it using the options on the left panel. When it looks good, click Continue to Video. Lumen 5 will generate your video, and you can preview and edit it as needed. Advanced plans start from just $30 a month. Number 6. Pictory AI. You can use it easily, even if you don't have much video generation experience. You get multiple options to choose from: script to video, edit a video, add subtitles, summarize a video using AI, or even create a video collage. For example, I'll show you how to use script to video. I pasted my text in the box, clicked Proceed, and after a short wait, the video was ready. Once it's done, you can check and edit the video just the way you like. Isn't that simple? You can try the free trial first to get a feel for the tool, and pricing starts at $25 per month, going up to $119 per month. Number 5. Descript. This is a real game changer if you create informational videos, podcasts, or YouTube tutorials. Descript lets you edit video the same way you edit text. Upload your script and choose your avatar. From there, you can delete filler words, cut sections, and even overdub your own voice using AI. It also removes all those little ums and ers with just a single click. Forgot to say a sentence? No problem. Descript can generate your own voice to fill in the gap. It's perfect for making your videos sound clean, polished, and professional without having to reshoot. There's a free version with limited features, and paid plans start at just $24 per month. Number 4. InVideo AI. Just like Lumen 5. This one is also free to use, but there are paid plans too, starting from $35 a month. With invideo AI, you don't even need a script to create videos. Instead, you enter detailed prompts, just like you would in ChatGPT for text. Here's how it works. Enter your topic and a detailed prompt in the text box. If you want, you can even customize the workflow and let you confirm the audience, the look and feel, and platform options. Video creation takes a little while. When it's done, click play to view the generated video. Need changes? Just give it a command, and it will edit accordingly. You do need strong prompting skills to get the best results. But once you master that, nothing will stop you from creating amazing videos in minutes. Number 3. Synthesia. This tool has been used by big brands like Heineken, Zoom, DuPont, and Xerox to generate training videos for employees at a fraction of the usual cost. And here's the good news. You can get free access to this tool for a limited time. After that, pricing starts at just $18 per month, which is a fair deal for the excellent service and high-quality videos you get. Here's how it works. Step 1. Select a template. Step 2. Add your video script into the text box. Then, choose your avatar from the right side panel. Finally, click Generate Video. And in just a few minutes, sometimes even seconds, you'll have your high-quality AI video ready to go. Number 2. Steve AI. Its interface feels very similar to Canva, simple and easy to use. Just click on Create to start your video. First, choose a template. Then add your topic and script. You can either paste your own or use the built-in script generator tool. For example, I'm going with the script generator. I'll enter a prompt, select the type of video. This one's an explainer, and within seconds, the script is ready. Next, you can choose the voice for your video by adding a voiceover. Enter your topic, hit Next, then pick the template style. And just like that, your video will be ready in under a minute. Isn't that amazing? The starter plan starts at $29 per month that gives you 100 minutes of AI videos and 800 AI images. Number 1. Let's talk about HeyGen. This tool is perfect if you don't want to be on camera, but still want a human presenter in your videos. HeyGen uses AI avatars that look incredibly realistic and can speak in multiple languages with different accents. Just pick an avatar, paste your script, choose a voice, and within minutes, you'll have a high-quality video that feels like a real person is speaking to your audience. Great for social media ads, product explainers, or even Instagram Reels, especially if you're camera shy. HeyGen offers a free trial, and paid plans start at $29 per month. If you found this helpful, drop a like, share it with a creator friend, and subscribe for more AI content hacks. Also, which tool are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.